देते हैं एकदम से कि आप ये करोगे, आप वहाँ जाओगे, हम उनकी खुशी या उनकी चीज़ों को कुछ ध्यान नहीं रखा जाता।
So I have a surprise for you guys as well. We have a very special, surprise guest with us. The fame of the TV serial Udan, जो दूरदर्शन पे आता था. And I guess I was not even born at that time. Yeah, but I've heard a lot. So we have Mrs. Kavita Chaudhary Bhattacharya ji with us. Ma'am, I welcome you here. And I want our festival curator, Mr. Shantanu Ganguly ji, to please come over and welcome her with a bouquet. Ma'am, thank you so much for taking out your time.
We are really honored. We are excited to have you here.
As my big hearty congratulations to all of you for participating in this festival, and big thank you to the organizer Ganguly ji, Rajesh ji, Suyash. Let me tell you, I was on the jury, and the best films were invariably, the number of best films used to come from Kerala. And that was thanks to festivals organized there and film societies organized there. It made the tastes of people refined. If the tastes of viewers is refined thanks to these cinematic ventures and exposure of the city to great cinema, and it gives incentive and opportunity to youngsters to try out their, instead if they can't afford film school, this is your film school. You are trying out your hand at cinema. I saw the two films here. They had cinematic grammar mistakes, but so what? Like Anger was raw, and it was raw in its technique, but the guy was in a raw manner wanting to say something. So most important is that you have some vision to offer. That's where cinema becomes brilliant, and it becomes such a social service also to people when cinema has a vision to give. That is how Udan is remembered after so many years, because it had something to contribute, and it became everyone's then. It's no longer mine because it became part of people's psyche. It was reported as being instrumental to parents' viewpoints changing towards girl-child's potential and how to nurture children. Dr. Mittal, thanks to him, I'm here today. He had just told me that I have my film here, and I've come here. I'm born in Uttarakhand, so I keep coming here. But this is my most exciting moment to see a cinema festival happening here. When Dr. Mittal first time invited me to IIT, he's a professor there, so he invited me to IIT Roorkee. And he was hard put to explain to me that Roorkee, Dehradun के पास है, हरिद्वार के पास है. So I said, हाँ मैं जानती हूँ, मैं वहीं पैदा हुई हूँ. So he said, मैं कविता चौधरी से बात कर रहा हूँ. Wrong number तो नहीं है क्या? But we've all grown in our small towns. We've observed our slices of life, and cinema is so beautiful because you can give steam to whatever your vision is in cinema. So more power to cinema, and lot of gratitude to the organizers. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind word. बस जैसे मैडम बोले हैं इन्हीं को आप फॉलो करो. आपके यहाँ से है और इतने सारे उनके अनुभव है. वही बात है कि फिल्म फेस्टिवल जो है बेसिकली यही है. यहाँ पे एक मौका आपको मिलता है. हम आपको जो है बॉम्बे की पॉपुलर फिल्म कम दिखाते हैं, वो इसीलिए कि वो तो आपको दुनिया भर के प्लेटफॉर्म में देखने के लिए. पर आपके यहाँ के बच्चे ने जो बनाए हैं और लोगों ने दुनिया भर में क्या काम हो रहा है उसको देखिए, उसको थोड़ा सा प्रोत्साहन की ज़रूरत है. थैंक यू सो मच मैम. थैंक यू.